If we're dealing with mesothelioma and when you should contact an attorney, I think that's a very unique situation, because typically you try and put many things in order before you might think of calling an attorney, and it's something you might put on the end of your list. But mesothelioma is a very aggressive form of cancer, and as an attorney, just like a doctor, we want to do our best work. And it's actually the sooner you contact the attorney, it's the beginning of a process. The sooner he or that law firm can start working with you on the best way they can work for you and your family. If somebody passes away from mesothelioma, I think a lot of families think, therefore we will not get compensation, or we may not have any path to compensation. That's actually not the way. Thankfully, the law has been changed in most states, which pass what are called wrongful death statutes, which mean that the family have a remedy. So if somebody succumbs to mesothelioma, the law provides that we can bring a case for them and get compensated. The cost of filing a claim is not that great in itself. There are costs associated with the claim, but the law firm who files the claim, like your Brown law firm, we actually put that cost up front so it doesn't cost the client anything. The process of handling a case has to have a beginning. And the beginning is the client contacting us to talk about the fact that they've been diagnosed with mesothelioma. And to us, when we meet with the client, that first meeting is a get to know each other, and then we talk to them what's involved, and that really gives them an expectation of what is a case. But what we also want to know is that the word case to people sometimes initially creates an anxiety. They're like, I have never been involved in a legal matter before. So they somehow feel anxious about that. And our first thing is to say, there's nothing different about this. We're here to help you. And let's not talk about case so much as what's involved in getting you compensated. What's most important in the process is starting the process, because until we start the process, there's no beginning from a legal sense. So that's why we always want to get involved with the client as soon as possible, because we can begin the process. But once we get involved with the client, and if they have mesothelioma, we can move the case as fast as I think any other type of case out there, because the judges are very sensitive and aware of what does it mean to be diagnosed with mesothelioma. So we can get a trial date in a mesothelioma case, I believe, faster than any other disease or claim that's filed in court.